So guys, I already went ahead and made my prosthetic off camera. I should have made a recording of how I got my prosthetic done. I completely forgot. But this is the first prosthetic I have made. So I wasn't too sure about recording it actually. But I think it turned out pretty okay. I guess more practice will make it work or make it better. So I am just trying to get the bearing of where it should be on my face, and then I'm going to go right ahead and use latex to stick it onto my face. And remember guys, before you put latex on your face, if it's going to be on a place that has hair like my eyebrow, I use Vaseline on it first just to keep my eyebrows intact after I am done with recording. So I am just using the latex to stick it down, to hold it down so it stays right in place, like so, just as I am doing in the video. And then I went ahead with the other eye to do my prosthetic. I just made a circle off camera again. I made a round shape with my prosthetic, and for this prosthetic sorry for this prosthetic I used latex glue and corn flour to make it. And again, I went ahead of myself, faster than my shadow, as we would say, and I painted it instead of waiting for after. But again, it starts okay. I fixed it well. I did what I had to do. So I have used latex under the prosthetic, and I'm just sticking it onto my eyes. My foundation to smoothing my skin and then smoothing the prosthetic as well, because I need it to blend right and to blend into my skin. So I am using my foundation. I think I used a MAC foundation here, NW45, and a L'Oreal foundation, I think, infallible foundation, L'Oreal infallible foundation. So I mixed the two together, and then I just kept dabbing it right onto my skin. As you can see, I didn't get everywhere that I was supposed to cover, so I'm just going to go right ahead and use a smaller brush like so to cover all the places, all the spots I missed. I'm just going to use a small brush to cover all the spaces or all the parts that I missed. Doing that, blending it into my skin, because I need it to stick, I need it to fit right on my skin, guys. So just doing that. Then I go in with a paint, face, no, well, not, it's not face paint, it's a water paint or watercolor, whatever it's called. I'm making the inner part of my eye black, painting it black for a dramatic effect. I am also going to paint the top of the prosthetic and the inner part, the inner layer of the prosthetic, painting it all black for effect, like so. Just I'm going to go around with all that paint just to give it a dramatic effect. And then I am repeating the same process on the other eye with a black paint. Just the reason I'm using this black paint is to make it look, make the scar look deep, to make it look as deep as possible. So as you can see, it's going to make it look like it's a very deep wound or a deep scar that has healed, and then there's just a little blood all over it. So then next I am going to use my coagulated blood just all around it, just to give it an irritated look. So I'm doing that round the prosthetic like so. Yeah, my blood is dripping. Just to give it an irritated look. It will look like a wound that hasn't completely healed. So just getting in there with the blood. And then guys, I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eye. And note, I am doing this mostly on the side of the scar, just to give it an irritated look. Just to give it an irritated look. So after I'm done with this, you will see the effect that this coagulated blood has on this prosthetic. So like so. So after that, I go ahead and put on my wig, as you can see, and then I'm just making a light stroke with my brush so it feels like the blood is dripping down from my mouth as well, just like you can see in the video, just like so. And then guys, the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did. If you do love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think this look is a little bit scary. Well, it's just a look I decided to try out. But if you love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like it, give the video a thumbs up, and please follow my Instagram page, EA of GIIM Beauty _pro on Instagram. And guys, you can request whatever video you want, whatever video tutorial you would like to see me do. You can make that request and I will get right to it. So the finished look, I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I do. I enjoyed shooting this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.